Hey guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun from Online Hustle Pro is here again. If you're new on this channel, Online Hustle Pro is all about how to make money, right? So if you are new or just stumble on this channel, all you need to do right now is just to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting updates whenever we drop a new content through this channel, to watch different type of video that you like to watch, to gain more knowledge and how to make money online, right? So today's video, I want to show you how to get free Shiba Inu token from free Shiba mining site, right? So guys, this thing that I want to show you today is a tested and trusted, though there are so many mining apps on Play Store, but this one particular one that I want to show you today is actually free. Before I show you how it works, I will show you the proof how I withdrew from this platform to my Binance account. But as you can see, this is old withdrawal request. I have withdrew twice on this platform right here. As you can see, I withdrew through to my Binance straight away, right? I withdrew 5,110 Shiba here and 7,706 right here as well. Okay, so now guys, we show you how you've been earning this, especially when you are on bed, when you are less busy, when you don't really have anything to do. And on this platform, you don't need any serious daily task. There is no Rivera. And I will still show you how you will be investing this money that you are making here, right, to earn more on Binance as well. Let's go to the Binance to see if truly we got this money on Binance. This is 5,110. This is 7,706. So as you can see, this is my Binance, 7,706. As you can see, it's free. So now this is the last one. The 5,100 has been invested. Let me show you that one. This is 5,110, right? That one has been used to subscribe, that is to be earning, right? So guys, if you like to watch a video like this, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment under this video. The first thing that you're going to do is you see this link in the description below. Just go down below this video now to the description section. The first link that you're going to see there, just click that link. Once you click that link, it will take you to Google Play Store. You have to be very careful because there are so many Shiba Inu mining that they are not genuine. Okay, so this one is actually genuine, but there is a problem that people usually talk about. You can see they have 488 reviews with 4 star, right? So there is a particular problem that people encounter with this particular app, though they are paying. But let's just read to like 2 or 3 reviews here before we start, and I will teach you the solution to that problem. Okay, so now let's see this guy. This guy is Olorunose Bijoel Ohoni. He said, I would like to go straight to the point. This app is kind of useless, and these are the reason. Install this app for more than 1 week now. Clicking on mining, just keep rolling. Only displaying ads. That is the problem. Only displaying ads all the time, and won't mind. The developer should find solution to this quickly. Okay, you can see that. Let's check another one here. This one said, question, can Shiba Inu can ever, I don't think. Okay, he said, I have watched a lot of ads more than a month. Okay, and he has not earned much. So look at this one. Say, so many ads, just finish low on one after the other. What a waste. You can see, because they did not have solution to that issue, right? Look at this one too. Look at this one. I'm trying to you can see the bad news is that there is lots of ads in app, but the good news is that the app will surely pay you when you reach the minimum withdrawable amount. As you can see, tested and trusted. I received my 10,000 Shiba Inu even up to 3 hours. I wish I can upload the screenshot of it. You can see that people are actually complaining about too much of art. Okay, but today I will teach you how you not even see a single ad. Well, of course, when I started showing you now, you said that no ad will come out and you still be earning, so that it will not just be burning or boring you when different ads is popping up, video ads. So there won't be anything like that. Okay, so that is why you must stay glued to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Okay, there we go. So this is the app, right? This is the app, and as you can see, no ad that is playing at all, right? So, and as you can see that this has mined and has stopped right here. So when it said show 000, all you need to do is just to come to get earning. So it will load and it will credit you. This is 260. It was how much before? I can't remember. So as you can see right here that I do not have anybody at all, right? So then all you need to do is just to click on start mining. So I click on start mining. When you click on start mining, it will show this, okay? Increase any watch ads to earn. Any ad will not show here at all. Any ad will never show on my phone, right? So now what you need to do is just to come to click on this +5. I click on it +5, so that normally it's supposed to be giving me 40 Shiba, every 20 minutes, okay? But now I'm going to increase it, right? So now +5 again. So you click on it, then +5 again, +10, +10, meaning I'm going to get 80 Shiba, right? I'm going to bet 80 Shiba in, let's see it. All right, so in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to get 80 Shiba, right? 80 Shiba will be added to this. Guys, that is how, in a day. Well, for the fact that I do not really have time, but from my little less busy time, I still make like 3,000, 4,000 Shiba, from this app, just doing this alone. Then after that, you can also come to this, click on this icon right here. Just click on this icon right here, this particular icon. Okay, so now you click on that icon, now you see another opportunity to earn here. That's the Shiba Earner Miner bonus. So all you need to do is just to click on this arrow right here, then you click on unlock. Okay, when you click on unlock, then it will show this. All you need to do is just to scratch. You just need to scratch it and it will show this. Then click on +5. Instead of 33, you increase what you are going to earn from this for scratching that +10 again. So right now I'm going to earn 53. So continue. You can say I just want 53 Shiba. So when you do not do anything, you can, or you want to sleep, you can just be doing this, right? Then I'm going to go again, click on that. Then I'm going to click on lucky wheel. You can see, click on spin. So it's going to be spinning, right? So now it's spinning right now. So it will just pick it randomly. I don't know what you can choose. Maybe 30, maybe 25, maybe 50, maybe 100. Okay, you can see 20 right now. So now I'm going to increase it. Watch ad, but no ad will show here. So +5, +5, +10. So I'm going to add 40. And see, I just added 40 sheep right now. So if I'm going to go to here to display, you can see that it's increasing gradually. And this one is just every 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes now, I can come back to do this too. But this one is every 20 minutes, guys. You don't need money. You just need your phone, even little data, right? We show you how to stop ad showing on your phone, unnecessary ad to show on your phone. Let's see what people are saying about Shiba, because you might be thinking that right now Shiba doesn't really make sense. But what about accumulating it right now? Then in the future, do you know what you can do in the future? Just accumulate right now, since you are not buying it. All right, so now let me show you. So as you can see right now, I have Coinpedia right here about Shiba price prediction between 2023, 24, 20 up to 2030, right? And as you can see, Shiba still have a potential. This is just the price prediction. It might go higher than this, it might not get there. That the Shiba is still going to kill some zeros, going to shoot up maybe till 2030. What about if you are just accumulating it now? Fine, it's not money today, but it's in the market. You can't predict. No one knows tomorrow. What about if this thing doesn't even go to 0.01 or 0.001, right? So what do you think that it will happen to you financially, right? So that is what I'm personally thinking about. That is just the personal opinion, right? But you can also comment your opinion too in the comment section below. What do you think about this, right? So now guys, let me quickly show you how to stop all the unnecessary ads showing on your phone, and especially the ads from this Shiba miner app. What you need to do right now is just to go to the settings of your phone. Though I'm using Samsung to recording this tutorial, I'm using Samsung, so I don't know. Just try to get to settings on your phone. Then on this phone, I'm going to click on connections. If you have connections on your phone too, just go to this connections on your phone. Then you're gonna search for more connection settings. I click on more connection settings. So where we're actually going is this private DNS. This private DNS here. The private DNS here. That is where exactly we are going to. All right. So just try the phone, any phone that you may be using, right? All you need to do is just to try to search how you can locate private DNS. Okay, private DNS. Now if you click on private DNS, normally this, you can see select private DNS mode. Where you're going to see this thing is automatic. You will see it automatic, or that is a default. Okay, so what you need to do is just to click on private DNS provider host name. Once you click on it, then type this into it, dns.adguard.com. dns.adguard.com. Type it there. So once you type it there, then click on save. No video ads that will be showing on your phone again. Immediately you do that. Okay, you can see that since I've been working on this app, no ad has been showing, right? And people are seriously complaining on the app, on their review. To withdraw your SHIB, all you need to do is just to come to this place. You can see pause icon here. So click on that pause icon. When you click on the pause icon, you will not see this one because you have not withdrawn before. Okay, now you're gonna see withdraw request. You're gonna see network. Okay, you're gonna see network. You see, you can actually withdraw to your Trust Wallet, to your any maybe Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or anywhere, right? But if you want to do that, you must have 20,000 Shiba Inu, and the network fee is going to be 8,000 SHIB. Wasting of resources. Okay, I can't waste 8,000 SHIB. No, instead send it to Binance with zero fee network, and the minimum is 7,500. It was just increased to 7,500. It was 5,000 before. Okay, now guys, you get it within, I think, 3-4 hours. You get it, never up to 48 hours. Now, how can you do this? All you need to do is just enter your Binance email or Binance ID. So they will do internal transfer. Okay, they're going to go do internal transfer. That is why it is free. Network fee is free. Okay, so all you need to do is just to type in your Binance email address, okay, to this place. Okay, and the amount that you have to withdraw, type it here. Once you do that, then you click on withdraw. That's all. All right, that's all. Now let's go to the Binance. When this fund enter into the Binance, you will not receive it in your sports wallet. You are going to receive it under funding wallet because it's an internal transfer. Okay, because it's an internal transfer. All right, so that is why you are going to receive it or here. As you can see, the last one that I received is here. So once you see it right here, the first thing that you're going to do is just to transfer it back to the sports. Okay, now I want to transfer it back, so I click on transfer. Then from funding to sports wallet, I click here, then SHIB. So I have 7,000 something. Now confirm transfer. All right, so I have it now in my sports. We can see that you cannot see it right here again, but you can now see it under sports now. Can you see under sports? Now, to invest this money to earn more money, what you need to do is just to come to earn. You see earn button right here. So what you need to do is just to click on earn. When you click on earn, you can see that I'm accumulating the Shiba here. Okay, now you just need to click on earn here. Click on earn. When you click on earn, you're gonna see simple earn. Click on simple earn. When you click on simple earn, then come to this search bar, type in sheep. Type in sheep. When you type in sheep, you're gonna see it to come out, then click on subscribe. When you click on subscribe, then you type amount. You can see I have 7,706 because I can see that I have 7,706. But minimum I can invest here is 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Now you have auto subscribe. Since I have this, I just transferred this 7,706 to my spot wallet from funding. Tomorrow it will take it automatically. I will not need to come. I don't need to come here. That is why I click on this auto subscribe. As you can see it now, I off it, then I on it back. Okay, so it will come and pick it the subsequent after you have done the first one. So subsequent that you are receiving from that app, it will be taking it by itself. Okay, it will be taking it by itself. All right, so now after you have done this, you click here, you mark this I have agreed, then you click on confirm. So that is all what I have for you guys today. So with your less busy time, when you want to sleep on bed, you can actually accumulate and mine Shiba Inu from this app, okay, and invest it on Binance here. Okay, so guys are new on this channel, I want you to subscribe right now. And if you are just watching video on my channel and you never subscribe, I want you to subscribe to this channel right now. Okay, then I want you to say your mind. If you actually love this video, if this video is actually okay, go to this comment section, comment it there. If it is okay, let me know. If it is not okay, let me know so that I can adjust. Okay, and tell me your opinion about this site and this tutorial. Thank you. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Bye.